This is lesson 146, kindergarten activity. And so today you need your God's World science book. God's World, and you need to find page 47. It has an oak tree on it, a big number 4 at the top. The title's God's Plan for Seeds. Page 47, okay? I want you to look at the picture of the oak tree on that page. Isn't that a huge tree? Have you ever seen a huge oak tree in real life? I don't know if you have, but they are pretty incredible. They're strong and tall. Can you imagine that huge tree growing from a little seed about the size of the one on the top of your paper there, that little green acorn? But it can. It does. That little tiny acorn is a seed to grow a huge tree like that. God has a wonderful plan for seeds and for plants and how things grow. Over many, 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 many years, an acorn that's planted in the ground can grow into that huge, strong oak tree. You can go ahead and read that page in a little bit here, but I want you to turn for right now to the next page, to page 48. And I want you to look at that picture there on page 48 now. And on page 48, you see the first part on the left, that little tiny seed is growing roots. It's growing roots. So when we plant a seed into the ground, God helps it to be able to start growing roots. And as that plant grows roots, it gets food out of the soil, and then it starts growing a little plant. A green shoot starts coming out and pokes above the ground, like our bean seeds that we planted. And when a plant grows up and comes above the ground like that, we call it a seedling. A seedling is a tiny baby plant. And then they continue to grow with the sunshine God sends and the rain God sends and the wonderful food and the soil God gives the plants. And they continue to grow and to grow and to grow. And we see the plant, what's above the ground, but under the ground are all of its roots, getting all of the food for the plant. So you can see there's a little arrow pointing to the stem. The stem is the main part of the plant, okay, where the leaves attach. So you have a stem of the plant there. Then you see that corn plant has leaves coming off. And then the actual corn is fruit growing out of that stem, growing from that plant, fruit. And that fruit has all kinds of little seeds. All those little kernels of corn are seeds to be able to plant more corn plants. And then you can see on the top, the tassel on top of the corn plant is its flower. So plants are made of several different parts. I want you to enjoy that. And then on page 49, page 49, you can see all of those different seeds and the fruits that they have there for you. So you're going to read from page 47 to 49 and talk about the verse with an adult or whoever's helping you with your school. And then you can be finished with your activity for today. I hope you enjoy learning about seeds.